Hi, I'm Erin.
And I'm Davis.
Hi, I'm Molly.
And I'm Jen.
And this is our Somewhere to Smile About series, where we show you what makes Ocean City somewhere to smile about.
But today, we're going around and asking visitors what makes them smile in Ocean City.
Come on, Molly, let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, we're the Setscorn family. We're from Akron, Ohio. We love Ocean City for the beaches, for Assateague Island, and for the boardwalk.
Hey, my name is Claude Klein. We're from Central Pennsylvania, and the reason I love coming to the beach is just the sand, the water, and seeing old stuff like this.
I'm from Pennsylvania, and my favorite part about Ocean City is the cool towels.
One of my favorite things to do when I come to Ocean City is take long walks on the beach. I love looking for sea glass, heart-shaped rocks, and shells. Oh, here's some right now. Scallop shells? These are beautiful. A collection.
My favorite thing about Ocean City is the Boardwalk Eats, Thrasher's French fries and Dumpster's ice cream, together for the perfect combination.
Hi, my name is Ella. I'm from State College, Pennsylvania, and what makes me smile in Ocean City is the really big waves.
Just the beach and walking around, summer vibes. Actually, tomorrow's my birthday, so I'm here for my birthday.
My name is Omar. I'm from Egypt. My favorite part, I love the atmosphere and the sea.
All right, that other stuff was cool, but my personal favorite thing, playing some good old-fashioned skee ball. Oh, come on. As you can see from my years of experience, I'm still not very good.
My favorite summer activity is getting an acai bowl and eating it on the beach. Cheers.
Hi, Ocean City. My name is Rebecca, and what makes me smile about the Ocean City the most is the fact that it's home away from home for me. I've been coming here since I'm 6 months old, and I just adore it. I love the relaxation.
My name is Sarah, and I'm from Timonium, Maryland. And Ocean City makes me smile because this is such a family resort where there's something for everybody.
Make sure to look out for us this summer to tell us what makes you smile about Ocean City, Maryland.